How to use a clip-on strobe for a beautiful and attractive appearance. In this video, I will show you how you can make your photos look beautiful with and without a clip-on strobe and how to use it. First, let's take a picture without a strobe using room light and natural light from a window. The light from the window is coming in from behind the subject, and the person is illuminated by the light from the room, which is the color of an electric bulb. The color temperature of the light bulb shining on the person is low, and the person appears yellowish. The color temperature of natural light from window is high, so it appears bluish. If the color temperature is not the same, it will not very nice. Next, turn off the light in the room and use only the natural light from the window. The backlight from the window makes it underexposed. If you make the light brighter, you will not be able to see the detail of the window. This time, turn on the clip-on strobe and shine it directly on the person. It feels like it really shined a light on the subject. It doesn't look natural and the face looks flat, which isn't very good. This time, I will point the clip-on strobe toward the ceiling and take a photo with ceiling bounce. I feel like the light is shining all around. The natural light from the back is also really good. This time, let's bounce the clip-on strobe onto the large reflector board on the right. The shadows were too dark due to the light coming from the side. Finally, I remove the clip-on strobe, attach it to a stand, and bounce it high on the back right wall. The light is reflected by a large white reflector board and shined on the subject. The hairlight is also in and the subject is softly illuminated, making it look really beautiful. The impression changes so much depending on how you use the strobe. Please give it a try.